Hey everyone, in this video, I want to walk you through the practice tests that are on the MCAS Resource Center. This is a great way to simulate the tests that students will be taking. So this could be for proctors or for students to test out what it will look like in the online testing environment. This is especially useful for students who have accommodations that they have enabled for MCAS and the proctors of those tests because it will get them comfortable using those tools before the test. So the first thing you do is you go to practice tests in the MCAS Resource Center on that top tab. And then you will see practice tests if you scroll down a little bit, and you can choose any of the MCAS subject matter tests. We're going to choose language arts. And from there, you can select the grade level. I'm going to choose grade 6. And then once you click that, you'll notice that there are computer-based practice tests and there's some options. The first one is going to be a general test for students without accommodations, and then you'll see specific test simulations for accommodations that students might have. Text-to-speech, web extension practice, and web extension text-to-speech. The one I'm going to focus on right now is the web extension practice test. What that is it will allow students to enable read and write. And this is specifically going to be used for if they have speech to text, also called talk and type, or if they're going to be using the word prediction feature on the MCAS test. And it's important that the student only enables read and write. That's what our school uses. That's what we have a subscription for. So we're going to enable that. Then we're going to continue to the test. I'm going to enter my name. And we're going to start. And then you'll notice that the accommodations for those students are in the top left corner. And they can move that wherever they want that works for them. Now, to simulate this, I'm going to go to a section of the test where the student would have to do some writing. Okay. So the question is, based on Moonbird, write an essay explaining why the author describes B95 as among the toughest 4 ounces of life in the world. Okay, so that's the question. If I was going to start answering that question here and that student wants to use talk and type, they would click the microphone icon here. And that's the same mic icon they would use if they're generally using the read and write feature that we have at the school. So I'm just going to do some practice. Hello, this is a practice. It is writing my essay for me. It might take a moment for it to appear in the box, as you notice. Okay, so to start it and stop it, the student just clicks on the icon. Word prediction is where the student is typing, and then it will give them suggestions on the next word, or if they start typing a word, it will give them suggestions on that word. So I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so as you notice, as I start typing words, start typing those initial letters, it gives me options to choose from, maybe to help students who have difficulty spelling or coming up with the words that they're looking for. So to turn that off, you just click on it again. So those are the 2 features that are enabled by web extensions, and the only web extension they should be enabling is read and write on the test. So I hope this is helpful and you can go in there and practice if needed. And please reach out if you have any questions at all.